I have very much enjoyed this trip. It is so good. This is lifetime achievement.
So I happened to follow you on Instagram since 2 years, and seeing your captures and the way you have been exploring wildlife, I was quite like you sold me.
So we were much interested to look for wildlife, and we had no plans actually for Africa, but then we got a text from Shashank for Africa trip and how it will go. We found out that it is going to be something we never experienced before. So so we gave a go ahead to Shashank and we planned this trip.
Entire Maasai Mara, the plan came to me with the Great Migration photos which I have seen in the YouTube and on Google. So I planned it to see the Great Migration. So, but instead of that, I was very curious of this lions and the pride of the lions, and of course the cheetah. So the Maasai Mara jungle actually is too huge. Earlier I thought it is just like a plain land, everything is just so visible. But to be honest, when I visited it, it looked so illusionary. Like it is deceptive in a way because what looks, it is not only that much, it is much more than that, and it's so easy to get lost. The landscapes were like somewhere we saw the grasslands and somewhere it was like dry grass, and a few of the areas like they were with the bushes.
I felt like it was never-ending jungle. It was very beautiful, very much, and the beautiful animals, the wildlife. It is really we have to see and experience it. We cannot express in these words.
I think we saw the most important, the big five, all the big fives, which is the lion, the rhino, which is so difficult to spot in Maasai Mara. Like I've seen rhinos earlier, but this one was so huge and magnificent. So I am really fortunate to have seen that black rhino in Maasai Mara. We saw the cheetah, the leopard, the wild buffaloes, oh my god, even I can't remember the names, but to be honest, I have seen one of the most beautiful wildlife ever, and I just don't have words to put it. Of course, the birds like ostrich, the male and female are always together, and the elephants, which are my favorite, which I already told this. The elephants with their babies, and it's an entire family. Like I've seen like 5 to 6 elephants at one place, feeding themselves and playing with the big ears, which are totally different from what I have seen previously in India. The big ears with the tusks, big tusks. Both the male and female are having the tusks.
had amazing experience looking at Mara River as well, where we saw crocodiles hunting the zebra, and it was just a thrilling and adventurous moment for us in the Maasai.
For me, a lion walking around my jeep has been like a dream or a bucket list. I don't know for what reason. And having encountered that, like the lion just next to our jeep, was very, very memorable for me. And it was just not there for a while, like just not for seconds. It was there like for minutes. And I went live, like I went Insta live because it was a big thing for me. And that experience of seeing a lion like right here was very, very memorable for me.
So, the first day we entered and we just encountered a lion eating Cape buffalo, and that was like a mesmerized. I was just mesmerized with what a start it was to the Maasai Mara. It wouldn't be beautiful than that.
The entire stay at Anchorrock was very, very beautiful, like from management of hot water to the staff. I really enjoyed being a part of the stay because the hospitality was too good. I think entire experience was too awesome there. I really have no words to put it.
It was lovely, beautiful, and hospitality is also very much beautiful. I should mention it.
It's totally what I feel like, completely protected. It's not like we are in the jungle. Maybe the animals might come very near, but it's not like that. So it's nice. The food and everything, like I never disappointed with the food. Whatever we are asking, they are able to provide it to the maximum limit they are giving.
Experience what Charles gave, fabulous. It was fabulous.
I mean, the way he drove the car and he took us to the spots deep inside the jungles. I mean, that was amazing.
Charles, he is one of the best guides who guides us with the safaris ever. I think his way of exploring the jungle is just like what I like to do as well, where I like to be alone. Like I do not like a lot of cars and people.
Charles is also very good and guided us to see all the things in Maasai Mara.
With Shashank, I think this was my 5th trip with Shashank, and I'm extending my trip with Shashank for the Maasai Mara. This itself shows how I am comfortable with Shashank trips.
Shashank is one of the most hospitable person I have come across in this industry of travel and tourism.
Shashank is very good, very good. Thanks to him and our driver Charles. He is also very good, and he has tried. He has tried how we will see different animals at different places.
We have very much accomplished and very much satisfied with the adventure with Wilderlust expedition.
What I could learn from this experience is, to have patience with him and be patient in your life. So that's what I have learned from the animals as well.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.